Yeah, hello, Prof here, and today we're a little front heavy. We're going to be taking a look at this mystery power cube. I found this at Walmart while I was grabbing some food for my lunch, and yeah, these are another one of those things made by MJ Holdings, or MJ Holding, I should say, which is the company that supplies Walmart with the Pokemans. Like when I order stuff from Walmart, I get it from MJ Holdings, like online. Like shipped and sold by Walmart, actually comes directly from MJ Holding. Also, you've seen in the past, like they had these boosters that they themselves made up, which were 20 cards with one hollow, I forget what they call it. And it was $5, I believe. This is 60 cards, 60 common cards. Hopefully they're not actually commons. Hopefully they're just not hollows. And 3 foil cards. It says on one of the things, or 2 foil cards and 1 EXGX special card. Would not an EXGX special card be a hollow? And 60 common cards, like I said, but $20. For reference, booster packs should cost $4. Generally. $4. And 4 times 6, 24. So, and with 6 boosters, you would get a minimum of 6, like hollow, reverse hollow, whatever. If not more, because some packs can have 2 in them. So yeah, this is just a bad deal. Probably don't buy it, because also like they show from X and Y, Blastoise, Venusaur, Charizard, Zapdos, Dark Charizard, the re-released Mew that's in Japanese but US release, Shining Charizard, Pikachu's birthday, and Shining Noctowl. No way they're giving you that. Because remember, these were gone through before being put in here. So, and not that, how do I put this? They're not going to make it that horrible for the money that you shouldn't buy it. Or, not, it won't be worth buying, because not that they couldn't do that, but that would then make people not want to buy it. And, obviously, Walmart wants to sell these, so does the company. But also, if they pull out, a Shining Charizard, they're not going to put it in here. It's worth more than them selling you how many of these. So, yeah. Let's crack her open. They did also have these for Yu-Gi-Oh! And Magic this time. Whereas those boosters were just Magic. Or, sorry, just Yu-Gi-Oh! In addition to Pokemon. Apparently there's some big boxes they make too. Like I said, I'll try anything out once. But this one is probably the one so far from them. Like the one that came with a booster and a hollow for $5. Like it was an actual booster pack and a hollow. Those are probably weighed. Otherwise, why would they bother doing that? I mean, they probably pulled the boosters out of boxes or booster boxes or tins, and that's where they're getting those hollows from too. Alright, so they make this, of course, look way more full than it actually is. Oh, and it actually wraps around. Okay, we're not going to grab, I think right in the middle, to protect the cards, is where the hollows are. Or they call them foils. So, let's see what we have. There's 2 stacks of these on each end. We have a Barboach, common. Zigzagoon, common. Trico, common. Vulpix, heck yeah, Vulpix, common. Rhyhorn, common. Pinsir. That's actually an uncommon. Then we have a Golbat, uncommon. Rowlet, common. Young Goose, Torkoal, Damage Mover. Some of these are definitely from a series I don't have. Switch, Charmeleon, it's definitely not uncommon. Chansey, Magikarp, Psyduck, Voltorb. That's actually a pretty badass Voltorb, like a rather realistic one. Clefairy, Staryu, showing off there. Coughing, Cubone, Jiggly, Geodude, very reminiscent of the old art. Like it's definitely a newer style, but like the action pose there. Eevee, Paris, that reminds me of the OG one too. Like somebody's take on the original. I think that's the same Jiggly we had. A Kachu. Ekans, what dude, he looks kind of loony with this. That reminds me of like Fry from why is my brain farting? Futurama. Like the mouth with the eye like kind of like roll back. Ah. Yeah, that reminds me of Fry. Alright, so far basically all commons, some uncommons. Let's check this stack in the front here. Oh yeah, how many was this? Probably should be 30 if it's split evenly, as I just drop them all over the desk. And bent that one. Oh, it's common. Oh well. I mean, I don't like being bad at my cards, but still. 1, 2, 3. 27. Alright. Let's count these in reverse. That's also 27, so that's not 60 cards. That is like 54 cards, guys. Okay, we got a Brock's Grit. Pokemon Center Lady. Delmise. I think I've seen that version. Swirlix. Ducklet. Woobat. Apom. Kirlia. Jolteon. It's a pretty badass looking Jolteon. Lilip? Not sure on that one. Apom. Kricketot. Palpitoad. Not a fan of that image. Whalmer. That's got to be like a submitted one or something. Onyx. Pignite. Clefairy. Phantom. Switch. Howl. Scraggy. Ooh, we're getting X and Y evolutions. Drowsy. Staryu. Growlithe. Ghastly. Kakana. Yeah, we're still 6 cards short though, guys. It's supposed to be 60 plus 3. Okay, and then they just put... Ooh, Ponyta. They just put a top-loading sleeve in between to separate them. Yeah, so 1,500% not worth it. 3 reverse hollows. Ponyta, which I might already have. Krogunk, and Whirlipede. Don't buy this. I mean, I guess maybe for a kid, and you really want to get them some cards or something. But, like, if you're actually trying to get good... Oh, and by the way, these are all bent. Because I could have at least put them inside this. But, yeah, they're bent. Great. So, probably not going to worry about getting those in my collection. I will at least sleeve them. But we're going to go with the black sleeves because the likelihood of them actually going into my actual collection. Hey, if it happens, it happens, but unlikely. Yeah, my suggestion, don't buy this. Mystery Power Cube. Like, they act like they show all hollows, if not better than hollows on the front. Oh, and you might get an EX or GX card, because, yeah, that's not how. And what called foils, too. Probably a way around that. But I didn't even get 60 cards. That's 10. $20. 30. 40. 50. Yeah, 54. So even if you include, or it says 60 plus, and that shouldn't be including the 3 foil cards. Even if you include the 3 foil cards, we're still not at 60 cards. So whatever human or machine they use to do this can't frickin' count. Lovely, right? Frickin' lovely. How is this the same both ways? It's also not a cube, by the way. Because a cube, wouldn't it be... I mean, I guess a cube could not be the same on all sides. But one would generally think of it that way. It doesn't make sense, obviously, for cards, because they have a, you know, a set height and whatnot. But, yeah, my recommendation, don't buy these, because not only do you only get 3 hollows for your money, you more than likely get 3 not very good hollows. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Of the MJ Holdings made up stuff, this is so far the worst. By a pretty long shot. And that's not going to fit in there. Well, if you like this content, hit that button down below. If you have anything to say on it, like how you think about stuff like this, what has been your experience, throw it down below in the comments, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Expect some Amazon warehouse openings, as I've got a couple that I'm actually quite pumped about that seem to be legit. We'll see you in the next one.